pleasure to be able to do this for Macy. She's been somebody real special for me in this school, and she's been a real willing worker. She never said no. I'll work, I'll do. And she was always very interested in what she was doing. Made her work interesting. It was a pleasure working with her. And we present this.
A gift from the school.
Oh, thank you.
We love her very much. We're going to miss her a lot.
Thank you, Miss
Very well.
Miss Macy, you crack me up. I am going to attempt, without a net, my Miss Macy impression. Oh, Miss Susie! Eyebrows, they're so bushy. Macy has the ability to tell anybody what she's thinking. And you can't get mad at her because she's so cute and the way she does it. And with the smile that lights up from inside, it's just like, okay, thank you. But with that comes the self-confidence that you need, which you have, the skills, but you've also got that people stuff. Not a lot of people have the whole package that you do.
Thank you, Miss Susie.
It's an honor knowing you.
Thank you.
Okay. Not only were you an awesome student, but you just hunted and searched for every scrap of knowledge we could give you in this 1,500 hours. I'm so proud of being able to teach you so much, and you always wanting more. And that's awesome as a student. So, because it turns you into a great stylist, and you already were a people person. I just want to say that I feel sorry for other schools that aren't tolerant of different people, because they miss out on meeting some of the most wonderful people. And I consider you one of them. You don't know a stranger. You came in here and changed us for the better. I'm going to constantly remember your people skills and impart that to these girls, because that's what that's something you already knew and already had. And I'm so proud of you, and I love you, Maisie, and I hope you never ever go away.
Ooh, yeah.
And yay!
That's the money one. That's the money.
Wait, hold it. Dang it, I just off button instead of the camera.